Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring SimpleSwap, a crypto platform designed to make exchanging cryptocurrencies fast, simple, and user-friendly, especially for beginners. So I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from the platform interface, how to buy the token, tokenomics, roadmap, and core features. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how SimpleSwap works. So let's jump in. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. So, your investments are your responsibility. So guys, now we're at the interface or the main interface of SimpleSwap. So as you see guys, so it's easy to create an account. So just here you can get an account. So I will drop the link in the description, of course. So just drop your email, password if you already have an account, or not, you can continue with Google or whatever you want. So you can choose wherever you want. So first guys, what is SimpleSwap? So SimpleSwap is a non-custodial crypto exchange, so that allows users to swap one cryptocurrency for another instantly, so without creating an account or going through complicated KYC process. Okay, so it supports over 500 coins and tokens and integrates with multiple liquidity providers to offer competitive rates. So that's cool. So now let's navigate to the interface. So when you land on SimpleSwap homepage, so the interface is clean and straightforward. So at the top you'll see the swap widget. So for example here, which works, customer benefits, analytics, currencies, and business. So as you see, currencies, supported coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Monero, Tron, and exchange pairs. And also you can buy crypto or you can also sell it. Okay, so it's easy. Step one, you can choose the crypto you want to exchange, for example Bitcoin. Okay, and select the crypto you want to receive, for example here let's say Ethereum. Okay, and just click exchange. So it's easy. So, and also you can enter the amount you want to swap. The platform automatically shows you the estimated amount you will receive, and enter your receiving wallet address where you want your new coins sent, and finally click exchange and follow the prompt to send your original coins. So no sign up or verification is required, which makes the process quick and simple. And also you'll see a transaction summary with all details, including exchange rates, fees, and estimated time. So guys, since SimpleSwap currently does not have native token, there are no tokenomics or SEO details to review. Instead, let's take a look at their roadmap, and platform development focus. So roadmap highlight expanding the number of supported cryptocurrencies and tokens, introducing additional payment methods, including fiat gateways, and enhancing security and transaction speed. And finally, adding a mobile app for on-the-go swapping. So it's a great idea. For me, they make a mobile app, so they will be a good option for anyone. So that's cool. So the team keeps the community updated through their official website. For example, here, let's see their team. So Olga P, so partnership manager and business development, and you can see their LinkedIn here. Simon M, so I don't know what the whole name, so partnership manager, Katie, community manager, and Valerie, PR manager. Okay, so here you can see their logos, so SimpleSwap logos, and more features or core. So let's summarize the main features that make SimpleSwap unique and user-friendly. So no account required. You can swap crypto instantly without registration or KYC. Wide coin support, over 500 cryptocurrencies supported, and competitive rates. Aggregate liquidity from multiple providers to get you the best price. And fast transaction. Most swaps complete within minutes, and transparent fees. So fees are displayed upfront, so you know exactly what you pay. And finally, the security. So non-custodial service, you always control your private keys and funds. So let me walk you through an example of exchanging Bitcoin to Ethereum. So first go to SimpleSwap, select Bitcoin as the coin to send, select Ethereum as the coin to receive, enter how much Bitcoin you want to swap, enter your Ethereum wallet address, review the estimated amount you will get and the fees, click exchange and you'll receive a Bitcoin deposit address. Send your Bitcoin to the address, wait for the swap to be processed and receive Ethereum in your wallet. So that's it. The process is designed to be easy and straightforward. So ideal for beginners. Okay. So SimpleSwap is a useful tool for quick crypto exchanges without the hassle of sending up or waiting for approvals. Okay. While it doesn't have a native token yet, it excels as a simple swapping platform with a clean interface, security, and broad coin support. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly way to swap cryptocurrencies, SimpleSwap is definitely worth checking out. So thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future crypto tutorials. So drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Links to SimpleSwap and other useful resources are in the description, of course. So see you in the next video. Peace.